Hey everybody, this is Michael. As you can see, this is day 2 of the install of the solar and Powerwall. You see the big old wall empty. Well, guess what? We had a little, just like any major work, you always get a little of these hiccups. So apparently we had a storm yesterday, and the electrician, not electrician, but electricity company canceled on us, so they couldn't turn off the power, the main power, so the electrician can go put in the main panel. So as you can see, it's a nice big empty wall. But today's day 2. They promised to come out, so hopefully they come out and get everything done this week. Today is probably going to be the major install. Today's thing's going to happen today. The power wall is going to go up, and then the solar panel is going to go up, and then they're going to do the charger and you know, put everything up, and then day 3 will be tie-in. So as of right now, nothing. So a little bit disappointed yesterday, but I had some time to talk to the electrician, the guy who installed the main panel. Got some good ideas. He's done it for a lot, for many years. So got to tap some information from him, how to operate the power wall and the solar panel. I'm kind of excited, so I want to get that installed, and then I can go through all of it, with you, and then give you guys a video on that for some of the people out there that want to go the route like I'm going and try to be off the grid as much as possible. So he showed me how to use to be off the grid as much as possible. Here in California, we're still by law have to tie in to the grid. So, but we don't have to use as much of the we don't have to use the electricity as long as we have our solar and stuff. We can do that, but we still have to be tied in by law. I think that's what it is. So don't quote me on that. So, so it is what it is. But I'm kind of excited. Today's a big day. There's going to be a lot of construction going on, a lot of stuff installed. Yesterday was more just like sitting around shooting the breeze with the guy, but hey, it was a lot of information, so it wasn't wasted. I'm gonna take you guys to the outside a little bit here. Come follow me, okay? Take a little bit, come follow me. We're gonna go outside, see the out here. So this is all that was done yesterday, the whole day. So all they did was chipped out the old panel. They chipped out the old panel right here. They just chipped out the old panel, and then they're going to put a brand new panel in, and then after that they're going to put a little gateway. So it's the gateway is basically the control between all your power wall and your solar to your grid. So the gateway does that controlling. Right, my whole purpose is try to use and try to play around with my electricity usage where I don't have to use as little, if anything, from the grid. So I'm gonna play around with it, and I'll let you know, okay? But anyway, today is the second day, day 2, big day, and hopefully everything goes well, because yesterday it didn't go well. It's kind of disappointing because I was hoping a lot of things going on, but today there's going to be a lot of movement today, hopefully. All right, once again, in Elon we trust. All right, take care of yourself. Peace out.